centering this. Trying to find that wobble down there. I think I got it. I'm going press down. It just centers it right up. All right. Rid of any kind of funny stuff down there. Just like that. We've got our centered piece of clay. You can go back, check it with your finger. Hold it nice and steady on your leg like that. It's looking good and centered. A good thing to do in the beginning when you're trying to throw is keep everything nice and clean on the wheel head here. It'll just keep your mind centered, so you'll be able to find the center of the clay even better. You can just go and take your sponge, clean up any stuff maybe on the wheel head. Alright, now we got a nice clean wheel head here. And take this rubber rib like that. Now you can see it didn't center the piece at all, but you can see that it looks centered even more. Just like that.